Guys, welcome back to another cooking video. Today I'm doing something simple, some honey garlic wings with fried bammy. But before I get into it, thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for liking, sharing, leaving a comment. Please continue to do so. It's greatly appreciated. So without further ado, let's get into the video. That right there is some tomato that I'm going to use in my wings. I have some sweet pepper there that I'm going to use as well. Some garlic that I grated. And that is my honey that I'll be using. That right there is my purple onions for my wings. And that right there is my wings. I seasoned it with garlic, rosemary, oregano, pimento seeds, my spicy sweet garlic sauce, a little molasses, a little bit of honey, and a little salt. And that's my bammy right there, soaked in some coconut milk. Right in my pot here, I have some sunflower oil that I'm heating to look after my wings. All right, guys, I'm gonna add my wings. So I added a little sugar in there to melt it. So I melted a little bit, run a little bit sugar or melt it, however you want to put it. I am not going to add any water to this. Alright guys, let's cover that and have it steam. This is my frying pan for my bammy. So guys, I'm gonna add a little red wine to my chicken wings. Just a little at this time. Let it cook with it. Alright, my lovely peeps, let's fry my bammy. Alright guys, I'm gonna take these out and I'm gonna put the rest in. And I'm gonna put the rest in. I'm gonna take these out now. So let's take them out. And I'm gonna boil. I am going to boil 2 corn. In this pot here, I have oregano, rosemary, coconut milk, a little salt, piece of butter to boil my corn. I'm gonna add some more of my red wine to my wings. I'm gonna add my garlic. I'm gonna add my onions, my sweet peppers, my tomatoes, and my honey. I'm gonna go ahead and combine everything and have it steam together. Let's add our corn. Alright guys, I am going to check on my wings. I'll be taking it off soon. That is how it's looking right there. Alright guys, so that's my finished honey garlic wings. That right there is the finished bammy. That is my corn. I use the coconut milk to cook it down. This is some salad that I have put together. There's purple onion, carrot, almond, lettuce, tomato, cucumber. I also have some bell peppers in there as well. And that's my dressing there for my salad. That's my finished tossed salad. So I'm gonna go ahead and plate my meals now. Those are the plated meals right there. That is it for today, guys. Thank you for coming along on the journey with me and doing my honey garlic chicken and my bami. I'm gonna go ahead and eat my dinner now. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you for liking, sharing, leaving a comment. If you haven't subscribed as yet, please do so. It's greatly appreciated. This is Sexy Started saying have yourself a wonderful evening. God bless.